Hi, I'm Mustafa Sayed, a computer engineering student and a full stack developer from India with a strong interest in backend system, agentic system, and in open source. I'm applying for this LFX mentorship project for Keyverno's AI assistant. In this video, I will briefly explain how I understand the problem, what architecture I am proposing, and how I will build the AI maintainer system. So let's start. So the real problem I see is that maintainer spend a significant amount of time on repetitive operational works. These operational works include like labeling issues, labeling PRs, handling dependency update PRs, and answering common contributor questions. So uh, the the whole idea or the challenge is proposed here is to build an autonomous agent that performs actions on behalf of the maintainer, but with a strong guardrails, uh, like permission. It is permission scoped, sandboxed, and auditable and controllable by the maintainers. So I see this core challenge is to build an autonomous agent but with strong guardrails. So beyond this autonomous agents, there are also some other tasks like deepening agents.md files in the repo, adding it to a per folder, and there are a lot of tasks mentioned here from monorepo module boundaries to uh, structurizing the metadata for contribution and PR and CI test runs. These are some works beyond the AI agent itself. So let's see the architecture that I'm proposing. This is the architecture that I'm proposing here. The whole architecture is event driven. An event can be from GitHub, Slack, or it can be a scheduled workflow. The events are pushed to a queue, then they are routed to specialized agents. The most important thing is I am building specialized agents, not a single agent that perform all the tasks because a single agent will not be useful for performing different tasks. A specialized agent can be a contributor assistant like answering common questions from of contributors, or it can be a issue triage agent or issue reproduce agent. Uh, each specialized agent have their work, their tools, and their permissions. Agent doesn't have direct access to tools. Instead, they interact with a tool gateway, which is permission scoped, which checks policy before each operation get performs. Whenever an agent requests a tool, the tool gateway checks the permission first, checks the policies. If if it is allowed, then it gives the access to tools, sandbox, or execution environment. If it is not, then it doesn't give the permission to that tools or sandbox environment. The most important thing is that each action is recorded and audited so that maintainer can see what agent did, why it did, and what tools it used. So the whole architecture is event driven and there are specialized agents to perform the specialized work. I have also prepared the sequence diagram. So let's see one of these sequence diagram like depend about renovate PR, how my system works in this. Whenever depend about or PR is raised, it is added to the queue. Then it is routed to the dependency PR agent, which which checks the which checks the if which checks if the PR has breaking changes or minor patch that can be auto merged. So if the changes are minors, So it get auto merged. If it is a major change, it flags for a manual review. So this is the whole workflow for sequence diagram. So recently, so I want to tell more about this. There are two sides of open source. One is contributor side, one is maintainer side. For contributor side, I recently built a project called getissues.tech, which solves the problem of contributor, which solves the problem of contributor side, which is to find issues that matches to their skills. So I'm highly or I'm interested in this project because it solves the problem of the other side, which is the maintainer side, the repetitive work that the maintainer performs. It solves this using AI agents. I'm especially interested in this project because of this. I have solved the problem of one side. Now I want to solve the problem of the other side, which is the maintainer. So I look forward to contribute to Keyverno AI Maintainer Assistant with my architecture and with my architecture by interacting with the Keyverno's maintainer and the team and the contributor community. Thank you for watching the video.